Hi guys, and welcome to this year's project. Some of you may be already aware, if you've seen the first two videos, that this year what I want to build is a Mercedes gullwing. So in the first video you will have seen me travel to Europe to pick up a body. So we've got the body here, I've got the bonnet, the doors, the boot upstairs, and then the second video was a review after I just bought a Mercedes SLK. So this is a 3.2 manual V6. It's a lovely car. So this is what we're going to be using for the donor. Now a lot of people were asking me in the comments or privately, how's it going to work? If you did drop me a comment, thank you very much. Even if you liked and subscribed as well, it all helps. I'm new to YouTube. I've only done a couple of videos, so everything's a big learning curve for me. So any comments you've got, help, advice, it's greatly appreciated. So what we're going to be doing in today's video, we're going to be stripping down the SLK. So I'm going to be taking off the bonnet, the bumpers, the doors, the boot, the roof, everything, and just stripping it down to a rolling chassis. What is in essence a rolling go-kart. And then I'll take the Mercedes gullwing body, I'll put it on top of the SLK, take a load of measurements, and we'll make a tubular frame chassis. That will be welded to the SLK and then bonded to the gullwing. If you've seen my previous builds of some of the cars that I have built in the past, for instance the Audi 100 Coupe from the 1972 one that I did, that's the sort of look that I want to go for. I want to go for a retro mod look. I still want it to look like a gullwing because I think they are the most beautiful of looking cars. The design of them, they're just gorgeous, timeless in fact. So I still want it to look like that, but I still want it to drive like a new car. So that's why we're using the SLK, because it's the same wheelbase as I've said. And we'll have a 3.2 engine, manual gearbox, aircon. Inside we will have it will look like a gullwing. So it'll still have the old clocks, still have all the old controls, but it should drive like a new vehicle. So let's just get into it, let's start stripping it down and we'll take it from there. Right, I think that'll do for today anyway. We've ended up stripping down whole front end, wings, bonnet, doors, the roof, the boot and all the hinge mechanism. So pretty happy with how it's gone today. So tomorrow I'll take the back bumper off, quarter panel, and then probably start cutting the rest of the bits off. Sorry, I haven't introduced Alex. Alex doesn't like being on camera. Alex comes down and helps me on Fridays, and most days, to be honest. So this is something that we both want to do and getting on with.
That must be yours then. That looks like nail polish.
No, that's yours. That's what I've just.
Oh, is that what you've just given me?
Yeah, I think it's lip.
Then I could have it.
I'm sure it's lip gloss.
Try it.
Yeah, it's a lip gloss. Can you imagine on camera?
That's why I did it.
Continuity wouldn't look good. No. One minute I'm like this, and then next minute I come on. Bright red lips. Oh, I missed. The magic of filming and not knowing what the hell you're doing on YouTube. I say Alex doesn't like being on camera, and like I say, we were just watching the video back a second ago, and we've just seen me and Alex with no heads on, and just going like that. So this is Alex. I'm Andy anyway. I don't know if I've said hello before. So we've already stripped our stuff anyway as we've been going along and chatting away, but we thought we'd just come back and say hello again. What's going to happen is we're going to actually cut away. I think you can just see where this skin is here for the wheel arch. All of this lot disappears. We take all of this lot off. We cut all the way down here to around about there. And we come across here and we cut all the way across here. Take all this back end out as well. We just leave the fuel tank in. Same on this side. Cut all the way. Leave the wheel inner wheel. Oh, excuse me. So as I was saying, cut all down here. We leave the inner wheel arch, take the back out, take the quarter panels off. We're going to take the seats out now. So Alex is just taking the seats out.
Just some more bolts.
Yeah, some more bolts, then that comes out. We cut around about here. This front panel comes off. Crash bar at the bottom comes off. We leave the strengtheners in, obviously the chassis strengtheners, but sort of we take all of this section off here, taking the windscreen post off. So we'll cut the windscreen to around about here, level with the top of the dashboard, so that comes out. And then we'll try the body on it. Once we try the body on it, at that point then we can get as marks how far down we want to leave the body. And we make a roll cage then that will go up here and make his own windscreen cage, a roll cage basically for the gullwing. So that's the plan for today. What I'm going to do is just going to cut top of here down and then just take this quarter panel off. So we don't want to take too much metal off because obviously we don't know with the body how much we need to take. So we're just going to take the quarter panel off first and just nibble everything off bit by bit rather than just hacking at it like we usually do. Yeah. Right. Would you, should we start on that side first? Oh no, we'll start on this side first. Yeah, go on then, I'll let you film me. Do you want film me taking my finger off with a grinder? Oh look, we've got a guard on this one.
Well, you best get that off.
Yeah.
You know I can't work with a guard on a grinder.
Right.
Have we got a fire extinguisher?
We have a fire extinguisher. Show the fire extinguisher at the side of the bin. Don't say that he's got no gas.
Yeah. Should it be in green, that?
No. Safety squint engaged.
Crashing wave. I heard your voice in thunder.
Friday evening and I'm off home to have a beer. On Thursday, yesterday, we rolled it in and started taking the body panels off the SLK. Finished cutting everything today, grinding, cutting, as you can tell by the state of my hands, my face. My hair's a mess, as per usual. So Friday evening, Alex is gone and I'm about to just lock up now and go. We're going to have a test fit of the body, but we're going to leave that till part 4, leave on a cliffhanger. But we'll show you what it looks like at the moment. So this is the SLK, or what's left of it. So this, as I said, is the rolling chassis for the gullwing. Zoom out a bit. There you go. So front's been cut off. Everything that you can imagine really has been cut off. Looks a bit drastic, but it's not too bad, to be totally honest. Let's say we'll put the body on in the next video and we'll start taking some measurements and making a roll cage for the new body, for the gullwing body to sit on it. But as you can see, that's it. So next video, let's say we're going to attack that next week, put the body on, get some measurements and start mocking everything up. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Like, subscribe, put a thumbs up, make any comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good weekend.